Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in a Nissan Maxima. First, locate the paddle shifters behind your steering wheel. The right paddle is for upshifting, and the left is for downshifting. To begin, ensure your Maxima is in D drive, and then move the gear selector to the M manual position. This action engages the manual shift mode, allowing you to take full control of gear changes. It's a simple process that enhances your driving experience. Once in manual mode, shifting gears is intuitive. To upshift, simply pull the right paddle towards you. This will move you into a higher gear, ideal for accelerating or cruising at higher speeds. Conversely, to downshift, pull the left paddle. Downshifting helps with engine braking and provides more power for acceleration from a lower speed. Always monitor your RPMs and the gear indicator on your dashboard for optimal performance. To get the most out of your paddle shifters, consider these tips. For smooth acceleration, upshift just before your engine reaches its red line. When approaching a corner, downshift 1 or 2 gears to keep the engine in its power band, giving you better control and acceleration out of the turn. Remember, the Maxima system will prevent shifts that could damage the engine, but mindful shifting improves longevity and driving feel. Paddle shifters are fantastic for enhancing your driving experience in specific situations. They're perfect for spirited driving on twisty roads, allowing you to precisely control your RPMs and power delivery. You can also use them for engine braking when descending long hills, which helps save your conventional brakes. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.